Imagine a mountain range, but instead of towering peaks, it's a sea of brilliant red. This vibrant spectacle is not just a feast for the eyes, but a testament to the agricultural prowess of China. This is the scene in China's chili-producing regions, where the landscape transforms into a tapestry of spice. The fields stretch as far as the eye can see, each row meticulously planted and cared for. China isn't just a consumer of chili peppers, it's the world's leading producer. The scale of production here is staggering, with millions of tons harvested annually to meet both domestic and international demand. From the fertile plains of the Sichuan Basin to the rugged hills of Guizhou, millions of farmers cultivate this fiery crop. These regions are renowned for their unique climate and soil conditions, perfect for growing chili peppers that pack a punch. This small pepper holds immense cultural and economic significance, shaping tastes and livelihoods across China and beyond. In local markets, the vibrant reds and greens of chili peppers are a common sight, symbolizing both tradition and prosperity. The story of China's chili pepper is a tale of ingenuity, tradition, and a deep connection to the land. Generations of farmers have passed down their knowledge, ensuring that each harvest is as bountiful as the last. It's a journey that begins with the soil, rich and fertile, and ends with a culinary explosion on plates around the world. From spicy Sichuan dishes to global cuisines, the influence of Chinese chili peppers is undeniable. Join me as we explore the intricate steps involved in growing and harvesting chili peppers in China. We'll uncover the secrets behind this billion-dollar industry, from planting and nurturing to harvesting and processing, revealing the dedication and hard work that goes into every fiery bite. The success of any crop starts with the soil, and chili peppers are no exception. Chinese farmers, often with generations of knowledge passed down, understand the importance of selecting the right location. Chili peppers thrive in well-drained soil that receives ample sunlight. Regions like Guizhou and Sichuan, with their hilly terrain and subtropical climate, provide ideal conditions for chili cultivation. Land preparation is a meticulous process. Farmers carefully till the soil, breaking it down into fine particles to promote root growth. They enrich the soil with organic matter, nourishing the future plants with essential nutrients. This careful preparation lays the foundation for a successful chili harvest, ensuring the plants have the best possible start. With the land primed, the focus shifts to the chili seeds themselves. Farmers meticulously select seed varieties based on desired flavor profiles, heat levels, and resistance to local pests and diseases. Some prefer the intense burn of the Sichuan peppercorn, while others opt for the milder, fruity notes of other varieties. Sowing the seeds is a delicate dance between tradition and innovation. Some farmers scatter seeds by hand, a practice passed down through generations. Others utilize mechanized seeders, improving efficiency without compromising on care. The seeds are gently nestled into the soil, awaiting the life-giving warmth of the sun and the nourishing embrace of rain. Once the seeds sprout, the real work begins. Chili pepper plants require constant attention and care throughout their growth cycle. Farmers diligently irrigate the fields, ensuring the plants receive adequate water without becoming waterlogged. They carefully weed the fields, removing any competition for nutrients and sunlight. Fertilization is another crucial aspect of crop management. Farmers use a combination of organic and chemical fertilizers to provide the plants with the necessary nutrients for robust growth and fruit production. They carefully monitor the plants, adjusting their care regimen based on the plant's needs and environmental conditions. Section 5. Nature's wrath, battling pests and diseases. Just like any crop, chili peppers are susceptible to pests and diseases that can decimate yields. Farmers must remain vigilant, constantly scouting their fields for signs of trouble. Insects like aphids and whiteflies can suck the sap from the plants, weakening them and reducing fruit production. To combat these threats, farmers employ a combination of traditional and modern pest control methods. Some rely on natural predators like ladybugs to keep pest populations in check. Others utilize pesticides, carefully choosing formulations that minimize harm to beneficial insects and the environment. Disease management involves similar strategies, with farmers rotating crops and using disease-resistant varieties to minimize losses. Section 6. A sea of red chili peppers ready for harvest. As the chili plants mature, the fields transform into a sea of vibrant red, a testament to the farmer's hard work and dedication. Each plant, nurtured from seedling to maturity, stands as a symbol of the meticulous care and effort invested by the farmers. The air fills with the pungent aroma of ripe chili peppers, a sensory experience that signals the approaching harvest. This distinct scent, carried by the wind, is a harbinger of the bustling activity that is about to unfold in the fields. Harvesting typically begins in late summer and can extend into autumn, depending on the variety and local climate. The timing is crucial, as picking the peppers at their peak ripeness ensures the best flavor and quality. Harvesting is a labor-intensive process, often requiring hundreds of workers to carefully pick the ripe peppers by hand. Each pepper is examined to ensure it meets the standards for ripeness and quality, making the process both time-consuming and meticulous. The peppers are meticulously sorted, separating the premium-grade peppers destined for export from those used in domestic markets. This sorting process is essential to maintain the high standards expected by international buyers and to ensure that each pepper finds its appropriate market. The harvest season is a time of celebration and community, as families and neighbors come together to bring in the fiery bounty. This communal effort not only strengthens social bonds but also ensures that the harvest is completed efficiently and joyfully. The fields, once a sea of red, now become a hive of activity, filled with laughter, chatter, and the shared satisfaction of a job well done. Section 7. From field to factory: drying and processing chili peppers. The journey of a chili pepper from the field to your kitchen table is a fascinating process that involves several meticulous steps. Freshly harvested chili peppers have a short shelf life, so they must be processed quickly to preserve their flavor and quality. The first step in this journey is the careful harvesting of the peppers by skilled farmers who ensure that only the best and ripest peppers are picked. Drying is the most common preservation method, and the sight of chili peppers drying in the sun is synonymous with rural China. This traditional method has been used for generations and is still widely practiced today due to its effectiveness and simplicity. Farmers spread the peppers out on mats or hang them in strings, allowing the sun's heat to naturally remove moisture and concentrate the pepper's flavor. This process can take several days, depending on the weather conditions, and requires constant attention to ensure the peppers dry evenly. Once dried, the chili peppers are transported to processing facilities where they are cleaned, sorted, and transformed into a variety of products. The journey from the farm to the factory is crucial, as it ensures that the dried peppers maintain their quality and are ready for the next stage of processing. Some are ground into chili flakes or powders, which are popular ingredients in many dishes around the world. The grinding process is carefully monitored to ensure the right texture and consistency, while others are crushed and mixed with other spices to create chili pastes and sauces. These products are essential in various culinary traditions and add a unique flavor and heat to dishes. These processed chili products are then packaged and shipped to markets across China and around the world. The packaging process ensures that the products remain fresh and retain their flavor until they reach the consumer. From the fields of rural China to kitchens globally, the journey of chili peppers is a testament to the dedication and hard work of countless individuals. Section 8. The spice routes of today. Exporting China's chili bounty. China's chili peppers have become a global commodity, adding spice and flavor to dishes on every continent. The country exports billions of dollars worth of chili products annually, with major markets including the United States, Japan, South Korea, and Southeast Asia. From spicy Sichuan hot pot to Korean kimchi, Chinese chili peppers have become an indispensable ingredient in cuisines worldwide. The global demand for Chinese chili peppers has had a profound impact on rural communities. Chili farming provides livelihoods for millions of people, boosting local economies and improving standards of living. As the world's appetite for spice continues to grow, so too will the importance of China's chili industry, further solidifying its place as a global spice powerhouse.